Ktien Gataliet Kadeka Beningkong Ban Pynithuh Kajat Ben Rio, but Halor Kanekapang, Kalapan Long Yaka North Eastern Hill University NEHU Shillong, Haka Arfu Artarik Risau, Araja Arpusau, Ban Pynithuh Ktien Korea, Haka Teka Slam Pule Bapau Kmat Katanj Tay Lamingi, but Kaban Long Kalat Yaki Samla Pule Ki Bedanjing Sultanat Ban Tip Ni Banwat Banya Yaka Golshore Jonki Waypat. Ban Kentir Kadeka Slam Jing Pule Ka Bathamai NEHU, Kazina Chung Ka Founder Jongka Indo-Korea Business Cultural Center IKBCC, Kala Soy Yaka Saskolar Jingete Alok Batka University, Haka Jia Don Lang U Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla U Vice Chancellor, Bat U Professor DP Goyal, Director Ka IIM Shillong. Haba Ajing Kran Kazina Chung Kalaong, Bakala Juyok Sngo Yaka Nam Jaka Skol Ba NEHU. Kanong ba Shillong, bertat anda kalapoy ban yoi dalaki khmat kasasngo haladi kumba kadan halayeng nakajia srim dor kibriu. Kalaong bahan NEHU benta kalapen itu ia ka multi language dictionary kata kakasi Hindi Korean but English.
To the Honorable Vice Chancellor of NEHU University, Professor P.S. Shuklaji, and the Registrar Omkar Singh Ji, and Professor Dhaka and Professor Sara to invite me to come to this MOU and MOU ceremony. I understand India as the land of hospitality, the land of spirituality, and the land of diversity. It takes 9 hours from Seoul to Delhi, and from Delhi to Guwahati it takes 2 hours and 20 minutes, and it takes another 2 hours and a half from Guwahati to Shillong on the road. Instead of 1,000 words, I heard a lot about the prestigious NEHU and the university and Shillong and Meghalaya and the northeast of India. But until I come here, I truly understand the diversity of India. I really feel like I'm home in South Korea, especially when I see all these big pine trees and the beautiful blue sky and the white clouds. And I learned that the Meghalaya means the land of cloud. And especially the most important thing is people. The professors, administrators, and the students at NEHU, they look like us. So I feel like I'm really in South Korea home. Now, Vasudev Kutumbuka, we are all brothers and sisters, one family, one value, under one God. But unfortunately, languages are very different. So I'm very thankful to introduce Korean language program here at NEHU University. And another important thing that I would like to mention is, for the first time in the world, in the history, even now we talk about Google, much before Google, in NEHU, we are introducing multilingual dictionary. 4 language multilingual dictionary: Kashi, Hindi, Korean, English. This is going to be a new chapter of history, and I'm very honored to make it happen, thanks to the leadership of P.S. Shuklaji, Professor Dhaka-ji, and Professor Omkar Singh-ji, and Professor Sara-ji. And thank you very much, NEHU University. Dhanyawad.
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bate yekamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi panai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing Myntoi ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya